My name is Malaki and I'm from Seki Works. Business was progressing quite well. We were working on a couple of new strategies that we had in place just before the lockdown, which included a lot of the work we did with the seasonal workers that were here from Samoa, along with just the usual commercial clients that we look after in Auckland. It's affected it quite a lot. We were able to work from home, but there's a lot of aspect of our business which requires a lot of people-to-people contact. So that was a little bit difficult to try and maintain during the lockdown. Seki Works is all about the safety of our clients as well as the staff. So as much as we can work from home, we do try and do that. But there are obviously other aspects of our business which requires, staff to come in, which is just we've minimised the staff coming in. So we have contract tracing. So when the customers, if it is required for the customer to come in, we obviously take down their details and things like that, which aligns with what the New Zealand government has put in place for level 3. I don't think it's a new way of doing business, but I think some of the things that we've actually focused on trying to increase in doing is a lot of online and over the phone sort of dealings with our customers. It is a little bit challenging sometimes, but I think it's more about educating our clientele. So I think doing business after COVID-19 would be a lot different to what it was before COVID-19. So, and that's where a lot of the online and that sort of scenario comes into play. We don't have handshakes or a kiss on the cheek, so it's like we also discourage the use of cash, and we have EFTPOS or online payments. Most of the time I do try to talk to our clients on the phone, and if we can avoid them not coming into the office, and we try the best we can to deal with business in a different way where it minimises people contact. Obviously, this is a situation that is very extraordinary. So I do think that there is a major change in the way business is done, which obviously contributes to the economy. There are some changes that, because of the COVID-19 situation, there are some changes in place as well for Seki Works, and re-strategizing and doing things a lot different than what it was before, which is exciting as well. Scary, but exciting.